Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to review the Joyroom earbuds to see if they are the right choice for you or not. So stick till the end of the video to find out. Starting from its design, it's got a very glossy black finish to it, which in my opinion looks much better than the normal matte ones you see in black colored earphones. The case itself is quite big and chunky compared to its Chinese counterparts, but it's not just because of the battery. The earbuds themselves are quite big for it being earbuds. It doesn't look too bad, but it's just not the right fit for me. In terms of design, I would give it a solid 5 out of 10. Build quality, however, seems solid than its counterparts. It isn't easily breakable, but it also doesn't come with any water or dust certifications officially. A little bit of sweat wasn't a problem though, and I guess you could use it in rain as well. It's also very easy to clean these earbuds as they're glossy and they do attract a little bit of fingerprints, but it's still not a very big problem, and I'm a huge fan of the glossiness, but they're just quite very big for me. Even after being inexpensive, it does come with a USB Type-C jack for charging, which is very cool. It does charge in about 30 minutes, but the lights indicating for the charging can be very wrong and accurate. Sound quality is pretty subjective, but in my case, I would say that these earbuds are solid 6.5 out of 10. They are plenty accurate, but too flat for me to fully suggest them. It has got some bass to it, but it really isn't any better than the Redmi Buds or other Chinese buds at this price. Gestures, however, are the smoothest ones that I've tried in this price range, with a triple tap for stop and play and double on either side for the next or previous track. However, I wouldn't recommend this because of the huge design, but if it isn't a big deal to you, then I guess this is the right choice. This is Arez and I'm signing out. Peace.